want to use Chattok Gaming's live TikTok interactive games on your own live shows? Well, today I'm going to show you how. First of all, head over to chattockgaming.com. Go ahead and head down here and click play now. Hit sign up. Then you're going to enter your name, your email, and create a password. Agree to the terms and services and click join. Or you can sign up with Google or Twitch. Then you want to go ahead and sign in once it takes you back to that screen once you've joined. And then you need to go ahead and verify your email. So we'll head over to our email. And we'll go ahead and click confirm your mail. Before you subscribe, you want to go ahead and head back over to the home page, because right now we're in beta, and you want to hit show me and get this coupon free day. So you get a free day of use with this, so you can earn gifts and grow your following for free for one day. So you're going to hit subscribe, go with the 1 day purchase, have coupon. We'll put it right here. Hit apply. 1 day subscription for free. Now you want to head over to Pay with Stripe. Fill out all this information. And you can uncheck this box. This is a reoccurring bill, so just be aware of that. Hit subscribe once you've finished all that. You want to head over to your TikTok and grab your live ID, which is your name. Copy that. After you've subscribed and you have got your live ID, you want to go ahead and accept the cookies. You want to clear the cache, so that's Control-Shift-Delete. After you clear the cache, now you want to go over and choose a game. So we're going to choose the street racing game. We got more games coming your way soon. Go ahead and put your ID up here, and then you want to click Submit. Once you have added your live ID, you want to head over to your TikTok Live Studio, and you want to set up your screen. So you'll want to add a source, then add Chattok Gaming, and then you want to set up your screen. Once you have your screen all set up, ready to go, you can do like a test run first, but hit go live. Change. You can choose which game you want to do. I do iRacing, Stream Racing, or Drag Racing. Then you want to click Go Live. Now that you're live, go ahead and pop that in. And I always minimize my screen to this size so it's easier to work with. But you want to go ahead and set your timer, so that'll be the start timer. Once 2 people sign up, this timer will start. And then once that timer runs out, the race will start. So I go ahead and you set your timer. You can reset your fastest lap. I do it once a month. Go ahead and hit launch game. This will take a second to go ahead and load up. We can go over here and get ready with scene. Then we can show our scene. And now I usually start announcing. All you gotta do is comment to get a car in the race. If you're commenting and you're not able to join, you can simply share the live. If you share the live, not only do you get a car in the race, but you get your profile picture up on the billboards for everybody to see here at Chattok Gaming while we're street racing. Comment or share to get a car in the race. See people joining over here, go ahead and get in the race. All you have to do is comment or share. Cooper's in there. If you're commenting and it's not letting you in the race, simply share the live. If you share the live, not only do you get a car in the race, but you get your profile picture up on the billboards for everybody to see while we're racing here at Chattok Gaming. We are Chattok Gaming. We bring live interactive gaming your way. Make sure you hit our big red button and follow us. Hope everybody has a good day. We are live recording right now for a YouTube video. A nice little race started up on the first one. Good job, everybody. The faster you tap, the faster you go. Good luck.